Hi everyone, welcome to Spark Time. Today we have a special guest for you, Ashutosh Pradhan. He's doing an MBA from SNU and has his own startup, Viral Hair. Today he's telling us more about himself.
I'm the co-founder of Viral Hair. So basically this is an app जो influencers और brands को connect करता है. And we are actually solving the biggest problem in the influencer industry, that is the payment terms. So normally the payment terms are 45 to 60 days, but our platform ensures that the influencers get paid within 2 to 3 days.
Great. So Ashutosh, what inspired you for this idea and what motivated you to go through with it?
मैं और मेरी एक best friend थी. So we were actually working on event management. And soon she pursued the career of becoming an influencer. So I was managing her content and we were managing all the media works and all the brand collaborations. So we just decided to just go ahead with this because we personally were facing this problem of payments.
Okay, great Ashutosh. So I just wanted to ask you, what are the most interesting collaborations you have done till point?
वैसे तो there have been a lot of collaborations. I've worked with a lot of people. I hope you have heard about Twarita Nagar. You have heard about Swagger Sharma. You have heard about Anushka Kaushik. And when it comes to brands, our app has already signed Beardo. Our app has already signed the Man Company. We are actually working on a collaboration with Nykaa. And there are a couple of small brands as well.
Ashutosh, people understand that there's so many difficulties when you are running a startup. So can you please tell us some difficulties that you've gone through and how do you go through with those?
That was very well said, that actually there are a lot of lows, there are a lot of difficulties when it comes to working on a startup. And सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत तो यहाँ पे ये आती है कि you have to face a lot of rejections. जब आप नए हो, to catch that trust factor, that is the hardest thing to do. Okay, so what you have to focus on कि you just have to make your tomorrow better. Just आज रात को if you are feeling depressed, just ये सोचो कि मैं अपना कल कैसे better कर सकता हूँ.
So Ashutosh, we have a young audience here. So what do you advise them if they want to start building their own startup at such a young age that you did?
इसको लगता है कि they have a unique idea and it is something जिस पे काम करना चाहिए. तो just start working on it. जैसे जैसे आप काम करते जाएंगे, रास्ता अपने आप बनता जाएगा. स्टार्टअप के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये आती है कि बहुत सारी एप्स हैं, हमारे गवर्नमेंट की बहुत सारी स्कीम्स हैं, बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स हैं, बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं दैट कैन हेल्प यू टू बिल्ड अ स्टार्टअप. बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज दैट कवर्स 90% ऑफ दिस इज आपका खुद का मोटिवेशन. तो कोई भी किताब, कोई भी वेबसाइट या कोई भी ऐप आपकी हेल्प नहीं कर सकती अगर आप सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड ना हो. इवन फॉर मी और हमारी टीम के लिए वी हैव टू मेक 1000 कॉल्स अ डे, वी हैव टू अप्रोच इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, वी हैव टू बेग फॉर देयर टाइम. और हमें 1000 बार रिजेक्शन फेस करने पड़ते हैं, बट आपको बस लगे रहना है.
Thank you Ashutosh for your time. Please, for more content, like, share and subscribe.